With that court sentencing this morning, 12-year-old Inez Vargas was killed at a graduation party in Providence last year, the innocent victim of gang violence. This morning, another of the defendants in the case was sentenced. NBC 10's Susie Steimel is outside the courthouse in Providence now with the story. Susie?
Well, Frank, the third defendant to be sentenced in this case is Angel Valerio. We just stepped out of that sentencing. He was not the one who pulled the trigger that day, but he was in the car when his friends shot up that graduation party last summer, killing 12-year-old Inez Vargas. Now he will serve 12 years in prison, which is just 1 year less than what the state originally asked for.
You are more than just a young miscreant. You're a young thug.
Judge Robert KRAUSE calls gang violence, quote, the bane of civilized society, as he sentences 20-year-old Angel Valerio to 12 years in prison for weapons charges related to the murder of 12-year-old Inez Vargas.
The shooting and what led up to it was and is inexcusable. There is nothing I can say that would justify what happened that night.
Valerio is a member of the Harriet Street gang who fired shots into a graduation party in Providence in June of 2013. The shots killed Inez Vargas and injured 3 other women.
I just want to take this chance to say I'm sorry for what happened. I'm sorry for my involvement with those events, and I'm deeply sorry for the loss of an innocent 12-year-old girl.
Angel Valerio, aka Young Sif, avoided murder charges by testifying against a member of his own crew this past summer. That was Luis, aka Fat Boy Gonzalez. Gonzalez now faces life in prison plus 130 years. The trigger man, Brandon Castro, pleaded guilty and is serving 2 life sentences plus 50 years. Ricardo Vasquez is serving 1 life sentence. And the younger Luis Gonzalez, a.k.a. Didi, is also awaiting sentencing. He, too, testified against Fat Boy, so the state lessened his potential prison time to 10 years.
Now, I did catch up with Inez Vargas' father outside of court. He said he didn't want to go on camera, but he did mention that he believes justice has been done in this case. Next up, the 4th of the 5 defendants to be sentenced is Luis, a.k.a. Didi Gonzalez, and he will be appearing in court on December 10th. Live in Providence, Susie Steimel, NBC 10 News.